What's up, everybody? Funnel Doc here. If you'd like to know how to set up a product inside of ClickFunnels, then this is the video for you.
Some dude, Jeffrey M. Benek, he just got a ClickFunnels tattoo. What?
Alright, everybody, so we're now inside of ClickFunnels. You're going to always make sure that you have an order form. No other pages will this work on except for the order form page, so make sure you have that set up. You can be able to select from many different templates inside of ClickFunnels that will work great. You're going to then want to go over here to where it says products, this tab right here. You're going to click it, and then you're going to click the orange or sort of yellowish add product button. Then you're going to have two different choices. You're going to have PayPal or Stripe, depending on what you've got set up. Now, you can only use one per order form. Right now, natively inside of ClickFunnels, you can't have PayPal and Stripe on the same order form. There are many ways to set that up using Funnelish and CF Pro Tools, but we're going to set this up for Stripe today. So, and then if you had another payment integration, you can add it right here. There are three different types of payment options you're going to select from. First is a subscription. Now, this is something that's going to be a monthly reoccurring. It could be like a membership site or something like that, but it's going to be some type of reoccurring billing. It could be monthly, weekly, whatever, but it's going to be some type of subscription. And this doesn't stop until the person stops it themselves or cancels. So that's a subscription. Now, a payment plan is maybe the way that you've got broken down. It could be your course. So it could be like a $9.97, and maybe you have a two-way or two-time split pay. So you've got it cut in half at like $4.97 and $4.97 or something, or whatever it comes out to. Or you could have 6 payments, but it's a finite or a limited amount of time that they're going to have X amount of payments come out, and then it will stop. Unlike a subscription that goes on until canceled. And then one time, of course, is a one-time payment where they're actually just going to set it up for one time. So then if this is commissionable, you're going to click here so they can have a click for commissions. You'll have your different commissions selected. This one is for Funnel Labs. You'll pick which one fits for your actual product. You'll make that up inside the actual backpack area of ClickFunnels. If you have the platinum version, you have access to backpack. If not, then this won't apply to you guys. So then you'll hit save and next. Then here it'll have the product name. This is Funnel Labs. You can change this to, of course, whatever your product's called. Now you have your different currencies to select from. We're in USD, and then this is $9.97. Now, if I wanted it to say something else, like maybe I wanted it to say like 47 per month or something like that. Then, even though it said 47, you can have 47 here or whatever the price is. It would override to 47 or month or per month or however you wanted to say it, like that. So there it have some type of override, and this is what it say. Now, as you see here, even though it says $9.97, it doesn't recognize that it's 47. So whatever is in here is what it's going to charge. So this overrides this to be displayed, but this is what it's going to charge. So you need to know that. Then next thing, product description. This is what's going to appear on the person's bank statement or a credit card. So you want the name of the product here. If this is an order bump, if this product you're doing right now is the order bump for the page, you're going to select this as on. This is not the order bump. So you'll have, just so you know, you'd have your regular product, and then you'll have to make a whole nother product that's your order bump, and then you would select this as on. Now it highlighted as order bump. Now, if you have a limited quantity, like you may have, this could be e-com, it could be shirts or something like that. You might have your max quantity, maybe you only have 100 of them. And then if you had a pre-sold or had any, then you have your pre-sold and you just flip that on right here. We're not going to use any of those. We're not doing any pre-solds or max quantity, so we're going to hit next and save. I did something wrong here. My name, that was weird. I don't know, we'll do this real quick. Perfect, and then we'll next save. Bam, see, I knew it worked that time. So if you want to use a fulfillment email via ClickFunnels, maybe you don't have your own automation, or you just want to keep this all in one set area, I prefer to use follow-up funnels, so I don't use this. I'll use the next step, which is the follow-up action step. We'll get to that in a second. But if you'd like to use this, what you do is you click it on, You can put your subjects, you can put all your body, you can even put HTML code in here. This is a great little tool. It's actually a pretty good email. And then what you'll do is you'll put hashtag thank you dash underscore you underscore page, and then you put that, and then whatever you did down at the bottom, you'd select your membership area. Here we go. And then this would recognize this membership area. So whatever you have in your email, this would be a clickable link that would take you to the membership area. So you can put something like, you know, thank you for purchasing Funnel Labs. Below is your link, and then their link would be this hashtag right here. We are not going to use that, so we're going to close it on down. We're going to hit save and next. What we are going to use is the follow-up action. So this triggers follow-up funnels. Follow-up funnels are just the email automation that ClickFunnels uses. So we have different choices. We can add to a list, remove to a list, send another email, a small one, not as detailed as the other one, add a tag, remove a tag, or unsubscribe from the list. Now, this add a tag is great for inside purchases. If you want to give somebody access within a purchase of something, you can add a tag, or for tracking. For here, we're going to add them to a list. We're going to add them to your new list, or always at the bottom, Funnel Labs version 2.0 purchase. And then we go save and next. So if this is a physical product, we click this on, and then you can use Kungi, or I'm not sure how to say that, or just delivered, or add other types of shipping integration. We're not going to be using that today, so we'll hit save and next. And then you'll see here is a summary of the product. We've got Funnel Labs 987, product quality off, description here. It is not the order bump. Add the list of the funnel ad purchase. Confirmation is turned off. This is the auto email that's sent off that we turned them off. This is a commissionable product, and you get commission under Funnel Labs. And then you just hit enter, and boom, you're good to go. It's that easy to add a product to ClickFunnels. Hope this helped you out. If you have any questions, please put them below. Do me a favor, if you love this video, smash that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments how much you enjoyed this email and this video, and what videos you'd like to see in upcoming videos. Thanks a lot. Funnel Doc out. So I don't use this. I'll use the next step, which is the follow-up action step. We'll get to that in a second. But if you'd like to use this, what you do is you click it on. You can put your subjects. You can put all your body. You can even put HTML code in here. This is a great little tool. It's actually a pretty good email. And then what you'll do is you'll put hashtag.